Dan Resin here with Xtreme Polishing Systems. Today we're going to be going over the HB Spartacote Flex SB Polyaspartic Kit. This kit comes in 2 gallons with a mixing time of 1 minute 20 seconds with a 1-to-1 ratio with a pot life of 20 minutes, a 15-minute working time, a dry time of 2 hours, a return to foot traffic in 12 to 24 hours, and a return to heavy traffic in 48 hours. Your recoat window for this product is 6 hours or sanding will be required. Now, let's get into some of the features of this product. This product has a perfect consistency, you have superior scratch and chemical resistance, and this product is especially good for low temperatures. So for your walk-in coolers, freezers, all of that, this product is great for them. Now, let's get into our coverage rates. So for a flake floor base coat, you're going to do 1 coat at 175 to 200 square feet per gallon. For a top coat over flakes, you're going to do 1 to 2 coats at 120 to 130 square feet per gallon. For a solid color floor, you're going to do 1 to 2 coats at 175 to 250 square feet per gallon. Now, let's get into our demo.